Morning folks, and thanks for watching. We are in front of the Kuala Lumpur Petronas Towers today, and I know I've shown those to you many times, so we're not going to bother with that today. The reason we're here though is because we're going to take a new walkway that leads from the KLCC Towers over to Kampung Baru. Now these are two famous tourist areas in Kuala Lumpur that you used to have to take a taxi or some other kind of motorized transport to get from one to the other. There's a new walkway now. It's called the Saloma Bridge or the Saloma Link, and we're going to be taking that for the very first time. It's not a very long bridge, but it does cross a canal or a river and a highway. Until recently, or the last week or so, this was a trip that you could not make in a short amount of time. So here we go. We're going from the Jalan Ampang side to the Kampung Baru side. And the reason we're doing that is because I know getting around in Jalan Ampang is pretty easy. There are not that many places that you can get lost. However, on the other side, in Kampung Baru, it's impossible for me to find where I am. The signs, although the roads are marked, it's very hard for me to find out where I am when I'm over there. So I thought it would be easier to start in a place that I was familiar with and then figure out how to get out of where I was once I got there. This is the entrance to the walkway, and it has the usual road furniture blocking access to motorcycles and things like that. Immediately to the left is the Muslim cemetery that is along Jalan Ampang. There are videos on YouTube regarding this new structure, and there's articles in the newspaper. This is, how we say in Kuala Lumpur, a big deal. You can see where this walkway is going to cross two highways and a river, which were otherwise impossible to cross without this walkway before. It was a much longer trip to get to the other side. Over there is Kampung Baru. And there's another video I have of Kampung Baru, which you can watch. There's a link in the top corner of this screen. This is the bridge itself. At night when it's lit up, it looks a lot better than this, but this is pretty nice. Unfortunately, as with most places in Kuala Lumpur, this walkway is kind of noisy. You have two highways and other kinds of traffic sounds that are adding to the noise, but you're also containing the noise inside the structure itself. So although it's a nice, convenient way to get from one area of town to another in a very short amount of time, it is quite noisy doing it. If you're familiar at all with Kampung Baru, then you know that this is the LRT station. You can take the LRT from a lot of places in KL and get to Kampung Baru. This is where you're going to come out. And when you do come out, the way to go is pretty obvious because there is no way other than this walkway to cross this road. It's also, the LRT station is also the gateway into Kampung Baru itself, which is well worth the visit. Some may wonder why Kampung Baru is such a tourist attraction, and this is the reason. We are in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, a major Southeast Asian city, surrounded by skyscrapers, highways, and all kinds of urban infrastructure. And what you see on the screen is typical kampung living. It's like a village within the city of Kuala Lumpur. It's about a 4-kilometer square area. It's traditional homes, traditional businesses, lots of food stalls. It's a great place to visit. Normally, most people would visit at night because that's when most of the restaurants and food stalls are open. However, I like to come here early in the morning, usually around between 8 and 9, because a lot of the food stalls that serve breakfast are open. And it's about a 3 to 4 kilometer walk from my condo. Okay, I know everybody watching this was wondering, were those steps even? And surprisingly, they were. Every single step was exactly the same distance from the one ahead of it or the one after it. I am surprised and happy at the same time. And you can find out what all this refers to by watching the video up here on the screen about the KL obstacle course. This is what the walkway looks like from the Kampung Baru side. You can see it leads directly over into the area near the KLCC Towers. If you come to Kuala Lumpur, you have to realize that you're visiting a giant city in Southeast Asia. If you really want to see what Malaysia is like, a visit to Kampung Baru might be a good idea, because you're going to see what traditional houses in Malaysia look like, what some of the roadside food stalls look like, and there's all kinds of restaurants that you can visit in Kampung Baru. The best time to come, I think, my personal opinion, is in the evening, although if you're a morning person, some of the restaurants are open in the morning. Anyway, that's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.